Hey friends, it's Liza, and I'm so glad you're here because you want to know more about the first women's digital workshop from the studio. So y'all know I love serving your kids online with art school and free how to draw lessons, but usually I have kids and women in the studio. And this workshop that's going to be provided to you online this year is a workshop that sells out super fast because it's an annual workshop. The first Women's Putz House workshop was hosted around my kitchen table in Birmingham, Alabama 7 years ago. It was my friends Trisha and Kelly and Allison and their daughters. And after moving to Florida, it's become an annual tradition here in the studio for women. Now, I say it's a women's workshop, but this is definitely something you can do with your kids. The reason I'm giving it out to the world November 1st and to you guys is because a lot of the supplies you'll need will sell out before the holidays happen. So if you decide this is something for you, I would encourage you right away to watch the welcome and supply videos once you get them November 1st. So I also wanted to tell you this workshop doesn't include supplies, and part of the fun journey of making a Putz house will be collecting supplies. Inside the workshop, I will show you step by step how to create your own Putz house, and we'll even talk about the history of a Putz house. Where did they come from? Have you seen them before? And also, again, I'll share my favorite supply venues. I'll share some online links, and I'm going to share tips and tricks that I've learned throughout the years hosting this workshop. It's usually in the studio. One year I had it at a friend's studio, and it's a blast. So get ready for holiday kitsch and glitz. I have friends who have taken this workshop every year, and they have a collection of Putz houses now. Inside the workshop, you will be provided with pre-recorded videos on how to make your own Putz house, and you get to share it with your family. There is a bonus you'll get the first 2 days, November 1st and 2nd, for free if you sign up. And the bonus is a video on how to have a Putz party. If you want to invite other friends over or other friends and their kids over, I include a video that's free the first 2 days on how to host a Putz party, because it does take some planning. So with that bonus, it'll be free the first 2 days, and then after that it'll be $20. The copyright clause extends for you to share it with friends of yours. So if you buy the Putz House workshop just standalone, then it's for you and your family. And if you get the bonus for free, or if you buy the bonus, you get to share content with friends if you want to have them come over. So I would love to have you inside our workshop. You're going to get, again, the step-by-step supplies, so much joy and fun, because these really do become little heirlooms that you'll pull out every season and be so proud of, because you created memories making them. So there's lots to learn. I'll also include a PDF of the step-by-steps, so you could watch the videos and then follow along a little bit and pause and start and stop when you want to. But you'll also have something in front of you if you want to really be connected with your kids, or if you have the Putz party, you can follow along with the PDF. That might be easier. So I'm really, really, really excited to share this with you guys. I have women, again, that have taken it every year, and I bet even some of y'all locals that may be watching this, you might want this because you want to share it this year. I have friends that have a village of Putz houses, and inside the workshop I'll also include a link to a friend of mine who doesn't just create Putz houses, but has Putz churches and barns and stables. So if you've already made a Putz house, you can follow the link to her wares and extend your Christmas village. So I hope y'all will join, and I will create one more video for you guys that'll go out via email with one more special treat before doors open. So I hope that y'all come along, and I know that we'll have a blast. I would love to create with you.